area I throw a salute. Una welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see am. Leeds United 3 and Chelsea 0. And we get Oga Shozzy make one tell us about how you see the game. Oga Shozzy, now how you see Chelsea performance for this game?
Tactically, Chelsea they poor. The Chelsea we they see before, not be we see for this game, but not be say na just the season. Because waiting I they see for Chelsea before, not being their attack line na zero. I don't know how many shots on target they won't get for this match. So Chelsea not deliver the way I want. Their midfield self not sharp. E not sharp. Their attack not sharp. Their wingers they not possess ball like the way Chelsea they possess ball before. So this match Chelsea not try. They not try.
So, but what do you go get to talk about Mendy? I don't see people they complain about Mendy. What do you get to talk about Mendy for this match?
You know say this footwork of a team when likes of Guardiola carry come Premier League. Not be for everybody. And why I say not be for everybody, basically not be for Mendy. Mendy don't make this kind of blunder. This is the second time, the third time Mendy they make this kind of blunder. So you as a coach, before you tell your goalkeeper to do this kind of thing, you go know say the goalkeeper Sabi do am before you go tell am say make he dey do am. And again, Mendy fuck up because how I see Mendy fuck up. The time we supposed to clear the ball, the distance we supposed to clear the ball, you get enough space to clear the ball. Why you wait until your opponent come dey near you before you say you want dribble? So Mendy fuck up. And for this kind of match, Mendy not try. If you see the second goal that they score, Mendy not really come outside. You just dey post. So sometimes when you be goalkeeper, if you come outside, only that threat say the goalkeeper don't already come outside. That one not go make the opponent and won't play the ball fast. But this one when you don't relax now, you go make the person settle down. Mendy not try today at all. Now good goalkeeper, but today he not deliver.
With this performance where you see from Chelsea now, you think say Chelsea go fit contend for the Premier League this season?
Yes, now why? Chelsea they be title contender now. Even for their bad form self, they see the threats. Because you know the club like Chelsea, when they play big team, you must see them. When they play small team, say you see them. It's just that when Chelsea won't lose, they won't lose, they lose. Why me not even dey happy for this match? And say if you watch that Tottenham Chelsea match they play last week, you go see Chelsea driving force. You go see Chelsea wing. Everywhere they work for Chelsea, but this today when they just like say maybe Chelsea just too over relaxed for Leeds. Maybe they feel say they go just win Leeds as very easy. Even when the Ziyech even enter, I not see the Ziyech for the game at all. So Chelsea they go see do it, they go see deliver.
You talk about Chelsea attack and your midfield now. Like how many signings you think Chelsea needs to buy for this transfer window, for the transfer window will end, make Chelsea take the boy for ground?
You know say one thing about club, now say the level of the caliber of players will come up for your club, the numbers of players will come up for your club. Now those ones and now you go to replace your clubs. You understand? Okay, for example, now we say okay, Koulibaly don't come
to
replace Rudiger, but that will not mean say you not go see get another defender. Just imagine now. So today now Koulibaly don't get injury. Another match there CD, Koulibaly not go play the next one. So who go replace Koulibaly for that place? And they see say Chelsea self they want loan one of their defender, Shaloba. They want loan that defender. And what about for their midfield? Jorginho not be Jorginho of in those days. Not be to cause score penalty, that be the team. Make Chelsea get that bite midfielder. Even in our defensive midfield, anyone may they get. If you see Kante now, say Kante not do. And last season self, Kante not too show. So that one, defender, midfield, and their wing, at least Sterling is trying, but for the 7, may they bring somebody.
So you think that Chelsea really need to bring in one winger for this transfer window?
Make Chelsea bring winger, bring number 9. Chelsea never get 9.
Make I ask you about Aubameyang now. You talk about Chelsea number 9. Make I ask you about Aubameyang.
Yes.
Chelsea don't need link to Aubameyang. You think say if Aubameyang come Chelsea, he go fit deliver?
Yes, so Aubameyang go deliver. He do one for Arsenal when he come Arsenal. Even when he go for Barca, the few times we did for Barca, he still deliver. So I believe say if Chelsea wingers they supply him, I believe Sterling. If Chelsea wingers they deliver, give Aubameyang go score the goals where they need. One-on-one, the boy good. For run, for pace, the boy good. So Aubameyang a good buy for Chelsea if they go eventually get the boy.
All right now, Oga Shozzy, thank you for your time.